Hey y'all! If you're an engineering student looking to dive into the world of controls engineering, I've got a treat for you. I'm here to break down the top 5 easy ways to kickstart your career in controls engineering. Let's get into it. Step 1. Get your basics right. Focus on core subjects like mathematics, physics, and computer science. These are the building blocks, folks. Make sure you understand them inside and out. Step 2. Learn the tools of the trade. Familiarize yourself with software like MATLAB, Simulink, and LabVIEW. These are essential in controls engineering. Spend some time mastering them, and you'll thank yourself later. Step 3. Hands-on experience is key. Get involved in projects, internships, or part-time jobs that focus on control systems. The more you get your hands dirty, the better you'll understand how things work in the real world. Step 4. Networking. Connect with professionals in the field through LinkedIn, conferences, or local engineering groups. You never know when a connection might lead to your next big opportunity. Plus, it's always good to have a mentor or two. Step 5. Stay curious and keep learning. Technology evolves fast, and so should you. Take online courses, attend workshops, and read up on the latest trends and technologies in controls engineering. Staying up to date will keep you ahead of the curve. So there you have it, folks. 5 simple steps to get started in controls engineering. Remember, it's all about building a strong foundation, gaining hands-on experience, and never stopping your learning journey. Good luck and happy engineering. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. See you all next time.